ER-TOSTIK. A long time ago on the Kazakh steppe, there was a man called Ernazar who lived happily with his wife and 8 sons. There was a legend that one of their sons would grow up to become a hero. This hero would destroy Bapi Khan, the lord of the underworld. When Bapi Khan heard this legend, he sent a terrible coldness to the steppe. Because of the cold, life became very hard for people. Ernazar knew he had to send his sons to find food for their livestock. As time went by and his sons did not return, Ernazar and his wife became more and more hungry. One day, Ernazar caught a horse and gave the brisket to his wife to eat. To their amazement, the old woman fell pregnant and they had a baby son, ER-TOSTIK. The boy grew up very fast and was soon a strong, handsome man. He met a beautiful young woman called Kenjiken. They fell in love and got married. In the underworld, Bapi Khan realized that ER-TOSTIK was the hero of the legend. So he sent one of his servants to capture ER-TOSTIK's father, Ernazar, and bring him to the underworld. When ER-TOSTIK realized his father was gone, he immediately started off to rescue him. On the way, he met 3 giants who each had a special power. One could shake mountains, one could move extremely fast, and one could drink up whole lakes. Together, they set off towards the underworld to save his father. When he reached the underworld, ER-TOSTIK faced many challenges, but with the help of his friends, he was able to rescue his father. Bapi Khan got very angry. He sent a dragon to eat the sun egg of the Samruk bird. This would bring the whole world into darkness. ER-TOSTIK and the giants fought with the dragon and won. They brought peace and happiness to the steppe.